Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Here are some safety tips you want to keep in mind. First, remember never to use indoors. This includes in a garage, building, breezeway, or any other enclosed area. This appliance is intended for outdoor use in a well-ventilated area. This includes not using it on boats or in recreational vehicles. If used indoors, toxic fumes will accumulate and cause serious bodily injury or death. Do not operate this appliance unless all parts are in place. The appliance must be properly assembled according to the assembly instructions in the manual or the instructional video. When picking the spot to place it, you want to make sure the unit is on a flat, even surface. It should never be put on a glass surface. Combustible items should be at least 5 feet away. Never touch the cooking or charcoal grate, ashes, charcoal, or the appliance itself when hot. And never leave it unattended and supervise children and pets while using it. You should not use the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker if it's windy out. When using charcoal in the grill, place it only in the charcoal tray or charcoal grilling chamber. The ashtrays should always be used in the charcoal grilling chamber and the base tray when cooking with charcoal. Do not use gasoline, alcohol, or other volatile fluids to ignite charcoal. We do not recommend using charcoal starter fluid, and keep the cooking area clear of flammable vapor and liquids, such as gasoline, alcohol, and other combustible materials. Use heat-resistant mitts or gloves while cooking. Adjusting air vents, dampers, adding charcoal, and handling the thermometer or lid. Use proper tools with long, heat-resistant handles when operating this appliance. Do not line any part of the appliance's interior with aluminum foil, which will obstruct airflow. Instead, use a drip pan to catch drippings. Never move the appliance when it is hot or during operation. Extinguish charcoal when you are done cooking. To extinguish, close all vents. Do not use water to control flare-ups or to extinguish charcoal. Allow the unit to completely cool before attempting to clean it. Never dump hot charcoal where it might be stepped on or be a fire hazard. Never dump ashes or charcoal before they are fully extinguished. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.